Imagine a device that provides complete oral hygiene in one convenient, space-saving way for travel and daily use. But all you've got is unsightly dental floss. Meet 2New Floss Cube, the first water flosser ever with no need for a reservoir. Floss Cube adapts to all kinds of bottles and cups. Enjoy exceptional and adjustable deep cleaning without hurting your gums. Advanced technology provides the same powerful pressure as a full-size water flosser, but in a more convenient, compact device. Perfect way to freshen up before an important presentation. Or if you just feel like a getaway. Or to make a good impression on your date. Just take Floss Cube. It's made to go everywhere. Floss Cube comes in 3 colors: pearl white, classic black, and coral pink. 2New Floss Cube puts the power of advanced teeth cleaning technology in your pocket. Buy directly from Kickstarter for just $49.